Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic, my daily life. I will use clear and simple sentences so you can understand every word. You will hear a story about Charlotte, a 29-year-old doctor, her family, and everything she does in a day. This story will help you learn how to talk about your own daily life in English. At the end of the story, I will give you a vocabulary list with meanings in simple English. You will also answer easy questions to check your understanding. So, if you stay until the end, you will not only enjoy a nice story, but you will also improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary skills. Let's begin. My name is Charlotte. I am 29 years old. I am a medical doctor. I live with my husband and my little daughter. My husband's name is Jerry. He is kind and caring. Our daughter's name is Lily. She is 4 years old. She has curly hair and a big smile. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. The alarm clock rings at 5:30 a.m. I stretch my arms and sit up in bed. Jerry is still sleeping, but Lily is moving in her bed. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. The cold water wakes me up. After that, I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I put on my work clothes. I wear a white coat over my dress. I look in the mirror and comb my hair. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I boil some eggs and toast some bread. I pour a glass of milk for Lily. Jerry makes coffee for both of us. We sit at the table and eat together. Lily talks about her dream from last night. We laugh and smile. At 6:30 a.m., I leave for the hospital. I drive my small blue car. The road is quiet in the morning. When I arrive, I greet the security guard. He smiles and says, "Good morning, doctor." I go inside and change into my hospital shoes. I check my list of patients. Some people are sick with the flu. Others have broken bones. I listen to their hearts with my stethoscope. I give them medicine and tell them to rest. Sometimes I help with small surgeries. I wash my hands many times in a day. I talk kindly to my patients. I tell them they will get better soon. I feel happy when I can help them. At 1 p.m., I have lunch in the hospital cafeteria. I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. I drink water and talk with my co-workers. We share funny stories. After lunch, I check on more patients. I write notes in my files. At 4 p.m., my work is done for the day. I change into my shoes and drive home. When I arrive, Lily runs to hug me. Her arms feel warm around me. Jerry is in the kitchen making tea. I wash my hands and help him. We sit together and have tea with biscuits. In the evening, I play with Lily. We read a picture book. She loves stories about animals. Sometimes we draw pictures with crayons. Jerry joins us and we laugh together. At 7:30 p.m., we have dinner. We eat rice and fish with salad. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Jerry helps to dry them. At 8:30 p.m., it is time for Lily to sleep. We brush her teeth and change her into pajamas. I tuck her into bed and kiss her forehead. Jerry tells her a short bedtime story. Soon she closes her eyes and sleeps. After Lily sleeps, I relax on the sofa. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I watch a quiet movie. Jerry and I talk about our day. At 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I put on my nightdress. I lie down next to Jerry. I think about my day. I feel thankful for my family, my work, and my life. Then I close my eyes and sleep. Vocabulary list. Alarm clock. A clock that makes a sound to wake you up. My alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. Stretch. To move your arms or legs to make them straight. I stretch my arms in the morning. Wash. To clean with water. I wash my hands before eating. Brush. To clean with a brush. I brush my teeth every day. Shower. A bath where water falls from above. I take a shower before work. Breakfast. The first meal of the day. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. Hospital. A place where sick people get help. The doctor works at the hospital. Patient. A sick person who gets help from a doctor. The doctor talks to her patient. Stethoscope. A tool to listen to the heart and lungs. The doctor uses a stethoscope. Medicine. Something you take to get better when sick. The nurse gives medicine to the patient. Surgery. A special medical operation. The doctor does a small surgery. Cafeteria. A place to eat in a school or hospital. We eat lunch in the cafeteria. Biscuits. Small, sweet, or salty baked food. I eat biscuits with tea. Picture book. A book with many pictures. My daughter reads a picture book. Pajamas. Clothes you wear for sleeping. I wear pajamas at night. Forehead. The part of the face above the eyes. She kissed her daughter's forehead. Thankful. Happy because of something good. I feel thankful for my family. Comprehension questions. Answer these questions to test your understanding. Charlotte is 39 years old. True or false? She wakes up at 5:30 a.m. True or false? Jerry is Charlotte's brother. True or false? Charlotte works in a hospital. True or false? She eats lunch at home every day. True or false? 2. Short answer questions. What is the name of Charlotte's daughter? What does Charlotte wear over her dress for work? Who makes coffee in the morning? What color is Charlotte's car? What time does Charlotte finish her work? What story does Lily like to read? What time does Charlotte go to bed? 3. Speaking practice questions. What do you eat for breakfast? What time do you wake up in the morning? Who do you spend your evenings with? Do you work or study? Where? Well done for staying until the end. Now you know all about Charlotte's daily life, from when she wakes up in the morning to when she goes to sleep at night. You also learned new vocabulary words and their meanings in simple English. I want you to try something today. Use these new words to talk or write about your own daily life. It can be short and simple. The important thing is to practice. The more you practice, the easier English will become for you. If you enjoyed this story, come back for more lessons like this. Every story will help you understand more, speak better, and feel confident when using English in real life. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, you can do it.